Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Fashion Farm, and on this channel we talk about ladies' fashion, sewing, and styling. In today's video, I'll be teaching you sewing machine basics for beginners. If you just bought a sewing machine or you're scared to use one, this video will help you understand it better and sew with confidence. Let's get started. A sewing machine may look complicated at first, but once you understand the basic parts, it becomes very easy to use. The first important part is the hand wheel. The hand wheel helps you raise and lower the needle manually. Always turn the hand wheel towards you, not backward, to avoid damaging the machine. Next is the needle. The needle does the main work of sewing the fabric. Always make sure your needle is sharp and suitable for the type of fabric you're using. Change your needle regularly to avoid skip stitches and fabric damage. Another important part is the presser foot. The presser foot holds the fabric down while you sew. You must lower the presser foot before sewing so the fabric does not move around. The presser foot lever is used to raise and lower the presser foot. Always lift it when placing or removing fabric from the machine. Now let's talk about threading the sewing machine. Threading may look confusing at first, but it becomes easy with practice. Follow the threading path on your machine step by step. Make sure the thread passes through all the guides correctly to avoid thread breaking. The next important part is the bobbin. The bobbin holds the lower thread. Always wind the bobbin neatly and place it correctly in the bobbin case. Incorrect bobbin placement can cause loose stitches or thread tangling. Now let's talk about stitch length and stitch type. As a beginner, the straight stitch is the most important stitch to learn. It is used for most sewing projects. Start with a medium stitch length until you gain more confidence. Before sewing your actual fabric, always test on a scrap fabric. This helps you check your stitch quality, thread tension, and machine settings. Another important part is the foot pedal. The foot pedal controls the speed of the sewing machine. Press gently and sew slowly, especially as a beginner. Speed will come with time and practice. One common beginner mistake is pulling the fabric while sewing. Do not pull the fabric. Let the machine feed the fabric naturally while you guide it gently. If your thread keeps breaking or your stitches look messy, do not panic. Most sewing machine problems come from incorrect threading, wrong needle, or poor quality thread. Always keep your sewing machine clean and well maintained. Remove lint regularly and all the machine if required. A clean machine works better and lasts longer. Remember, learning how to use a sewing machine takes time. Practice regularly, be patient with yourself, and enjoy the process. With consistent practice, your confidence and sewing skills will improve.